Yes, students, today I am here with the concept of class 9th, chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. In my previous video, I discussed with you how to plot, how to find the solution. But today I am discussing how to make equation in word problems. But in that equation was given, you know how to find the solution by taking the value of x and y, but now you have to prepare equation also. So we will start now. First question is, Sachin and Ganguly, two players, together score 180 in test match. Write a linear equation which satisfy the equation and draw the graph. Yes, two players are here. Let the scores made by Sachin x and Ganguly, I have taken y. You can take of anyone x or y. But now we don't know how many Sachin scored, how many Ganguly scored. So that's why, but together we know, together means sum of both is equal to 180. So I have written 80s, means according to statement. So we will take collectively. After that, you know, two variables are here. So how many solution can be there? Infinite. Very good. Everybody knows whenever you will see two variables are there, you can find infinite number of solution. But to plot graph, three are must you have to find. Firstly, I am taking the value of x, that is 50. Yes, 50. Why I have taken? I am not taking 0, 1, 2 because it is very difficult to locate them. 179, 178. According to this, you will change the values of x and y, whatever you are taking. So I am taking 50, 100 and 70. After that we will put the values of y. This is known as solution box. Whenever you are putting 50, you are getting 130. 100 you are putting, you are getting 80. Similarly with third. So how will you plot? You know, firstly you will see the point of x. Then you will locate according to that is 130 in between. So in the next 180, 100 and 80. Yes, 70 point is there in between. 70 will be here. So 110 like this. So you will join these points. In this manner you will find this graph. Now your next question is, a three-wheeler scooter charges rupees 50 for first kilometer and rupees 8 each for every subsequent kilometer. For a distance of x kilometer, an amount of rupees y is paid. Write the linear equation in two variables. I explain what is here. A three-wheeler is here, and for the first kilometer rupees 50 is chargeable, and for the other subsequent distances you have to pay rupees 8, and for distance you will take x, and for fare means kiraya, that you have to pay as in form of y. Write the linear equation according to your question I have written. Then listen one thing more. Whenever you are going to 2 kilometer, it means what you have to pay? You have to pay 23. Yes, very good. Why? Because for the first kilometer you are giving 50 and for the next 8. If you want to go for third kilometer, then again you are adding 8. In this manner you are getting the fare. And now you have to write the fare. Fare means amount that you have to pay. Y is equal to, for the first kilometer 15 plus 8 for subsequent distances. I have taken x minus 1. Why? Some are asking, ma'am, why we are not taking x? This is a problem. No, this is not a problem. Yes, students, because for the first kilometer you already paid 15. Why you paid? You paid for first kilometer. So now your distance remain only x minus 1. So for the other you will pay only 8. I hope you are getting 8x minus 8. Total distance is 8, and for the first kilometer you paid 15, and for the left distance means x minus 1, that is you are paying 8. So solve it now. It will become 7 plus 8x. You have to find only linear equation. Yes, if you have to find the graph, then you can do very easily. Put the value of x, you will get y and plot them. Next question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Ayushi pay rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. If fixed charge is rupees x and per day charge rupees y, then write the linear equation in two variables. Yes, firstly I explain the statement. Ayushi is here and she is issuing a book from library for 7 days. But for the first 3 days amount is fixed and for additional charge she has to pay extra according to y. Then how many she paid? 27. Now let us take fixed charge, it is given x, charges per day y. Yes, now according to statement, but she took for 7 days. First, how many days? X is fixed. For how many days? 3. Yes, because it is given for first 3 days, fixed charge is here. X means 3. This is for 3 plus how many days left? 7 minus 3 is 4. So I have taken 4 y. Y means that charge it is giving for per day is equal to 27. I hope you are getting. Total is 7 days, 3 for fix. X you are taking, fixed charge is given na? And how many days fix? 3 plus 7 minus 3 is 4. Total is 27. I hope you are getting. Now next is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. In India, it is in Celsius. Now you have given this, and first question is, draw graph where C as x-axis working and F as y-axis. Now you know how to find the graph. Firstly we will take the values of x, means C is working as x. I have taken the value of 0, 5 and 10. Why? Because whenever I will take 1, it will come in fraction. So to avoid it, it will be cancel. I have taken the values of C in multiple of 5. Firstly I took 0, it will become 0 into something, 0 plus 32. So you got 32. Whenever you put 0, you are getting 32. Whenever I am taking 5, then both will be cancel, 41. Similarly with C, then you will locate them. This is x-axis, this is y, C and F. Locate them and find the answer. And one thing more, you know about this. This is what? This is kink. Kink to take the gap. I have taken the gap of 5, 5 here, but now I am leaving so many numbers 0, 5, 10, 15. I am making a kink here to make it easy because it will go too much large. That's why I made kink. You can also make it kink whenever difference is not same. So your next question is of this part, if temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is F? It means C is 30. You will put here C 30 and you will get F. And in the next, if temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is temperature in C? Now you will put this on place of F and I also put, and 32 will go on that side. So you will solve it. 5 is in denominator, in that side it will go numerator. This will come denominator. So you will get 35 as a Celsius. One more part in this question. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same both F and C? If yes, find it. According to question is asking, is there any temperature where F and C both are equal? We will find by keeping both are equal. So in your given statement, you will put F is equal to C. Yeah, you can say in the place of C, you can put F. I put C, you can put F also. So I put here, firstly I will take the like times on one side and I took the LCM. Then in this manner I am getting C, that is minus 40 degree. I think After seeing this video, you are able to do your exercise 4.3. Have a nice day.